the writing desk, the secrétaire, or my favorite, the escritoire. These items of antiquity were pieces of furniture back when people used to write a whole lot more. And what we find is that they've kind of been lost to antiquity, honestly. Most of them ended up as kind of like side pieces. This one you could see was repurposed for children at some point with the alphabet, which I kind of left there just because I thought it had a lot of character. But these have been kind of shuffled off. So I got kind of back into them by finding this one on the street, and I restored it. And I've been using it lately, and it's been quite awesome. As you can see, I've got my assortments of everything I need here. I do mount a little light here. It doesn't work well with the capture on the camera, just due to the LED flicker, so I don't actually use it when I'm recording or anything. But when I'm writing, I've got lights there as well. Up here, what do I have? I've got a letter someone else sent me, some stamps, Q-tips for cleaning. I actually found that nib from the Zizo, guys, while we're at it. Oop. There we go. Show you that nib from the Zizo that I removed. So you can see the nib itself is actually very nice. It's seal with gold plating. That was the fun. Anyway, let's keep going. So yeah, I've got letter writing paper, journal. I like this one because it had these two slots there for pens. And then some other, thank you cards, inks, envelopes. This is my bulb syringe. Just been kind of sticking it randomly. And then different notebooks in there. And then I've got some notebooks off to the side. So anyway, my daughter has been seeing me at this, and it's great because now she wants to write more. So I've been keeping an eye out on the secondary, Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist type deal. And I stumbled upon one today at a good price, and I jumped on it. So this is my old setup, and I'm about to show you the new setup. All right, this is the new Escritoire, which I grabbed on Facebook Marketplace. I snagged it. These things go between $50 to $500 depending on their condition. This one actually had another one very, very similar, almost could be like a companion, going for 3 times the price. So I jumped on this. Check out these. Check out the feet. They're like awesome, like hooves of like a gargoyle. Like, how cool is that? All right. So I'm going to show you the inside of this one. This is already restored. I've been spending the day restoring this. So I took it apart. I took care of all the wood and made sure it was all good to go. So this is my new escritoire, my new writing desk. How cool is that? Here, I'm going to show a light, just because the other light, like I said, doesn't work well with the camera. How cool is that, guys? I can't wait to move in. I'm going to show you this afterwards too. One of the cool things when I was restoring this, here we go. Let's go here. Okay, so over here, I thought that I was going to have to get something to screw in here. So I actually put a small hole there with a screw until I realized, let me show you. All right, so once I was actually restoring the rest of it, I realized there was sliding panels. I was like, why the heck would they have instead of one piece of wood here, 2? That doesn't make sense. And then I realized they slid out, and I was like, how cool is that? Because that supports the weight when this is down. And then I started putting 2 and 2 together, and then I realized, right? Can you guys see this action there? Yeah, this one is activated by the motion. I was able to restore that side. I'm still working on this side. I've got to get something to pry this piece open a little bit more so I can actually hook it up properly. So I'm working on restoring this, but guys, this is awesome. I moved this upstairs as well, so that way I can actually do more recording where my kids aren't always in the background playing. It's lovely to hear them, but at the same time, I know not everybody always wants to hear them. But thank you guys so much for coming on this journey. This is the start of a new journey. I'll show you that light up there. Where is it? Yeah. So I am super excited, guys. Thank you for watching.